Italian design and engineering firm, Italdesign is presenting the GTZero concept in Geneva. The electric car, in shooting brake form, was planned, designed and made at the company's headquarters in Moncalieri, Italy. The design inspiration of the concept is drawn from several concept cars of the past. These include the Alfa Romeo Scighera, Daewoo Bucrane, Ferrari GG50 and the Bizzarrini Manta. Additionally, the company says that it pays tribute to Italdesign's history, which is now approaching some 50 years. Underpinning the GTZero is a solid monocoque carbon frame with aluminium subframes. Modularity is possible thanks to the subframes, which allows for altering of the overall dimensions, while keeping the carbon structure unchanged. The benefit of this is that it allows for different types of cars and drive systems. As for the GTZero's body, it's made out of composite materials to ensure lightness and strength. At the same time, the concept sports functional active aerodynamic systems. The large air intakes at the front and rear and the active rear spoiler contribute to increased aerodynamic flow and better downforce. At the side, 2 slots near the wheel arches will help cool the brakes. Other noteworthy elements that the GTZero possesses include the doors that open in the elytra style, the hexagonal large rear window and the hexagonal LED encircling the rear window, which also acts as vehicle's rear lamps. The batteries, on the other hand, are integrated into the frame, inside the central tunnel. Inside, the GTZero concept has no buttons. Italdesign chose to go with the less is more concept, replacing them with multi-touch control screens. There are 3 large air conditioning vents, while 4 screens arranged at 3 different depths are subdivided, displaying only essential driver information. The small central monitor shows the gear used, while 2 other screens display speed and revs, while the large monitor displays navigation info. Behind the steering wheel are 2 pads that control the 3-level old dashboard display. 2 others in front control primary functions such as the headlights, indicators and wipers. Meanwhile, touching both the rear pads at the same time will activate pista mode. Said mode modifies the power of the car, and at the same time, all intermediate monitors will slide on a runner, overlapping the main screen, where all information will be centered. The large monitor will also be stowed away automatically, and a wide screen will descend from the center dashboard. The seats and door release are similarly controlled electronically and without the use of any buttons. The seats are wrapped in leather, while the dashboard is hand-worked and has a mix of satin aluminium and carbon. The GTZero can sit 4 occupants in total, with its 2+2 configuration. Delivering power to the wheels are 3 electric motors. With that, it is capable of a total of 483 horsepower, with a top speed of 250 km per hour. Also, with the electric motor setup, all-wheel drive is available. The GTZero claims to have a travel range of 500 km, while the battery, on the other hand, can be charged to 80% in about 30 minutes.